So, hey guys, it's me and Jeremy.
Blake's like 79, and Jason the Man 10.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
So, anyways, we're heading to my grandmother's house right here. To look at my tractor. It's for sale. That I fixed it up, but first I have to get a carb kit first and fix it up to see what's wrong with it. Right now, it's just started up. But
Tell them why it's here.
yeah, I'm going to. It's here for smoke here or your house and
helping me finish up the neighbors.
It'll be right there.
So.
I got some key with me. Well, the other one, my dad has one. It's called a long cheek. It has a muffler badge, like that one right there.
This is a pretty
right here.
Rattles. Oh yeah.
Between these two, there's a little screen broken.
This thing's pretty ugly, isn't it?
That's alright.
It's pretty ugly, I think. Oh, nice.
It's brand new battery.
The shield broke off.
Right there, that's
oh yeah, I see. Yeah.
I gotta do this first.
Shift on the go. Where's the shifting? Oh, it's right there. Oh, that's the same shifter I had on mine. Sweet. Yeah, that's nice.
Well, anyways.
Uh-oh. Okay, so we forgot the battery died, so we charged it, and now we're going to finish explaining. This is a Yard Machines Millennium 15 horse, although it's a 15.5 horse in here. So it's either a different engine or...
Different engine.
It must be, yeah. Is that what the guy said, or...?
No, it's the same engine, I meant.
It says 15.5 and 15 on there. It's weird. 38-inch deck, 6-speed, shift on the go. And it's really dirty, and it's running really bad, so he's gonna get a carb kit for it. Oh, wait a minute. This isn't... Brakes is Stratton.
This is...
Techumseh. Oh, no, never mind. It might be. Running bad. See you later. Alright. Oh, can you help me with those?